Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing some sticky, juicy barbecue pork steak. Very simple to prepare but yet so delicious. You want to see how I prep this one? Just keep on watching. And another thing, I want to take the time out to thank all my returning supporters. Thank you guys so much. My new supporters, thank you guys so much for coming on board. To my channel members, thank you so much for the love and support. And without further ado, guys, let's go straight to the kitchen.
be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out,